How my angel and lovers, this is a very fast instruction of how to do a famous Flammkuchen from France. So we just take a little bit of creme fraiche here, see, lovely, and we spread it just over this dough. You can make it by yourself, but you also can buy it, you know. It's easy to make it and easy to buy it, isn't it? So let's just spread a little bit of this creme fraiche here, and then we go for this lovely black forest ham here. Ooh, I love this. It's such a lovely taste. And then we go for some onions. This is very simple, but you know, the simple things in life are sometimes the best, isn't it? So let's spread some onions, and we preheated the oven to 250, and then some chives here. And we don't need salt, but we put a little of pepper on it. Oh, this is lovely. This is gorgeous. And we just put it on such a lovely thing here. And right there, we are in the oven, and we are at 250, and we go inside. Just open the situation and put it in. Here we go. Don't burn yourself. Close it. And now watch the beautiful thing do its work. Oh, look at that, we are ready. Let's get it out. It's so fast. This was like under 3-5 minutes. Oh, isn't it gorgeous? Isn't it great? And we just put in the next one. This is like making an imbiss. And see, we just cut it now. Oh, hear it? Oh, this is gorgeousness. Easy, simple, and delicious. And look, we've got some lovely salad going on with it. And here, some of the crispy pig leg. Enjoy it.